You're a couple weeks into Tesla ownership and you realize, oh my gosh, there are a crazy amount of fingerprints on my screen. What do I do? Well, I have the answer coming up. Okay, lots of fingerprints on your screen. What do I do? Here is your answer on Tesla tips and trips. First of all, I have always been a naysayer on getting a screen protector on the Tesla screen, especially on the Facebook forums. I never understood it. We don't pocket our screen and then drop it on concrete or anything like that. But there are a couple good reasons to get a screen protector on your Tesla. One of which is fingerprints. They do accumulate, they do build up, especially with 12-year-olds constantly checking for superchargers. Hint, hint, hint. The other reason is, for some reason, when you're going with the wireless phone charging, people, family members, wives, and kids always hit this and hit it going back. And now I'm not guilty of that, of course. I'm perfect. So I have never actually done that. So there's two good reasons to have a screen protector on your screen. We went with the Spigen or Spigen. I'm not sure how you say it, but the reason was, A, it works great. No bubbles, no streaks, no nothing. And the installation is crazy cool. We'll probably have to do a video on that if we get another Tesla down the road a little bit. Okay, but back to the task at hand. The reason why you're here watching this video, you just got your new Tesla. You realize a couple weeks in, hey, it's a fingerprint magnet. What in the world do you do? Because if you wipe the screen right now, it's gonna move stuff around and probably factory reset and send all kinds of data to Tesla and all kinds of crazy stuff you don't want to do, right? Mm-hmm. Nodding your head doesn't work on video. Okay, so here's what you do. First of all, I like to use these. These are Endust screen and electronic wipes. They work really, really well for all kinds of stuff around your house. So go to the car, go to display, screen clean mode. Look at that. Oh my gosh, mind blown. Boom. Look at all that. You can see them, I think. Crazy amount. So now you can wipe the screen without messing with anything, and you're not sending any data to Tesla, and you're not factory resetting your car or changing all your radio presets or anything like that. So here, let's get this in there good. And then we have a second step that we like to do that Marcus brought up. It's actually a cloth. You could show that to them. That came with our car. Now, I don't know if the current cars are coming with a Tesla branded screen cleaning cloth. But as you can see, as you can see, nothing on the screen is getting messed with. No buttons are being pushed, because when we're done here, you have to hit hold to exit, which is absolutely perfect. Now, technically, we are wiping the screen protector. We're not actually wiping the screen because that's underneath the glass. The Spigen glass protector screen thing, I know I'm being real technical here. We got the glossy because we wanted to keep the look of original. But from what I understand, the matte version does do fingerprints even better. It hides them a lot better than this. But I gotta be honest, having the screen protector on certainly is far better with fingerprints than not. It has some anti-fingerprint technology on it. So that's it. Oh, that's looking really good, actually. You're getting all the stuff right off. I can see it on the sun. So the second step, definitely use your Tesla branded wipe that came with the car if you've got it, because it's definitely working. I can see it from this angle anyway. Okay, so then when you're all done, you're clean, your screen is clean, you're good to go. You're kind of done with this task. You stop wiping and you hold to exit, and it says exit in 3, 2, 1, boom, back to normal, and your screen is clean and you are happy once again. So there you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We are so appreciative to all of you guys for subscribing and checking out our videos, and we've got lots more to come. Anytime something pops in our head, boom, we make a video. It's a little weird, actually, doing this stuff all the time. But at any rate, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.